Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies. I'm CGK, and for our first video in a series dubbed Freelance Friday, Fiverr in a Minute, we're going to kick things off with what is freelancing and who is a freelancer. So let's get started with what is freelancing. Freelancing is a way of working where you offer skills and services to multiple clients without being tied down to a single client or company. You can work on multiple projects that match your interests, expertise, and schedule, and you get to set your own payment and terms. Freelancing gives you more flexibility, autonomy, and creativity than a traditional job. A freelancer is someone who does freelance. So basically, if you want to be a freelancer, you need to have a set of skills that you can offer to clients. Now, these skills need to be in demand in the market. There are a number of skills out there that are currently in demand, such as graphic designers, video editors, photographers, and many more. You need to find the one that suits you and is best for you. You can work as a freelancer either full-time or part-time. There are a number of freelancers out there who started part-time and transitioned towards becoming full-time freelancers. This is very common among individuals who have traditional jobs but also want to freelance. One great thing about being a freelancer is you get to work across anywhere in the world. All you need is internet and your computer. Freelancing has many benefits and challenges, but I'd like us to look at the benefits first because I want you to get interested in being a freelancer. The first benefit about being a freelancer is you get to choose which project you work on. Take note that when you become a freelancer, not every project that comes across your inbox is meant for you. There are some projects that do not appeal to you, that do not spark that interest that you are looking for, or that are basically not meant for you in a way. You understand what I mean when you start freelancing. You meet a lot of these projects, and my advice to you is that when you get those kind of projects, you turn them down. Because if you attempt those projects and it doesn't go well, you will not look good. The second benefit of freelancing is you get to control your income and expenses. You get to set your own prices for the amount of work you wish or the services you wish to offer to a client. And you also get to set your own expenses. A good example of an expense is when a project is offered, but you need to collaborate with another individual to work on that project. After working on the project, you need to pay your collaborator a fair amount or a fair wage. Another benefit of being a freelancer is you get to manage your own time and work on your own schedule. This allows you enough time to catch up with your interests, maybe in gaming or watch a movie or just take some time off to relax and get your mind right. Moving on, other benefits include networking with other freelancers in the same niche or maybe even outside of your comfort zone. Could be a niche you find interesting but don't know so much about. So you could also connect with other freelancers in that niche and get information so that maybe in the future you might consider a part also in that niche. The last benefit of being a freelancer would be you get to express your creativity in every project that you are offered. Clients these days like to give freelancers the opportunity to express their creative ideas and pitch it to them before the client also comes up with his or her idea. This allows you and your client to come to a mutual understanding and get to understand what the root of the problem is so that you can provide elegant solutions to fix their problems. Let's move on to the challenges of being a freelancer. The very first challenge you find when you become a freelancer is landing your first gig or getting your first client. This can be extremely stressful for every new freelancer out there, and my heart goes out to you guys all because I have been in the same situation, but I overcame it and I know you will also. Another challenge in freelancing is competition. Being a freelancer in the marketplace means you are competing with fellow freelancers for the same work and offering competitive prices. Some freelancers may offer, for example, a logo at $5, whilst other freelancers may offer to design your logo at $3. Prices are very, very competitive in the market, so it's always good to find a fair price for yourself and your client. You also have to handle all your administrative tasks such as invoicing, following up on payments, scheduling with clients, and many more. There are days when freelancing has caused myself and Prince a lot of stress, but you need to find a way to cope with it because stress comes with the job. And last but not least, you also need to find a way to motivate yourself to get out of bed and work. Because working from the comfort of your home or remotely with little supervision, you sometimes tend to become lazy and, complacent. So you need to find a way to motivate yourself every day to get out of bed and work. These are the benefits and challenges of being a freelancer. I hope this information I provided for you will help you make an informed decision as to whether you want to become a freelancer or not. It is also very important to have a clear view or a solid game plan if you plan on venturing into the freelancing world. You have to have a solid strategy, which is going to help you find your first clients and also help you deliver your good and excellent works and also get paid on time. Freelancing basically puts you at the helm of all your affairs. You are your boss and you are your employee. So you need to be able to stay on your A game and deliver the best work for your clients always. There are no days off. So if you find all this information useful and you want to become a freelancer, congratulations and welcome to the family. If you're interested in learning how to become a freelancer, a successful one at that, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications and like this video. We will drop tips and tricks on how to become a successful freelancer each and every Friday. I'll see you in the next one.